Hey guys, it's me, Ash here. Today we're going to debunk a flat earther named Diallo TV. Diallo, I don't care, but we're going to debunk him. Actually, how you cannot fall, the earth is round, you can't fall off the earth because of the gravity, because when you jump, you go right straight down. No, you can't, because the gravity on Earth, it pulls you down. The axis, obviously, because of the 98 degrees of the axis. The Earth is not flat.
What the fuck is making us spin? I don't fucking know.
How do we spin? How do we spin? It's because of the axis. That we spin thousands of miles per hour. No, China would be up around here. You would be in the Arctic area. It would be down in this area. You wouldn't walk upside down. Obviously, you're just on the other side of the earth.
Watch the ships disappear against the horizon. Notice they don't disappear all at once, but rather seem to sink into the ocean, their bottoms disappearing at first. This is only possible if the Earth is curving away from you. Watch. The ships sail away.
Well, first of all, you're on the Earth. The Earth is round. You wouldn't be able to see the curve because then you're going to have to be in space to see the curve.
They don't disappear all at once. No, first, the bottom will disappear. See, the bottom of the ship is gone. Now we can see...
Well, I'm not debunking Bill Nye the Science Guy, but that's kind of the curve that goes down, actually. You just think it's flat because when you look at it, you'll just see just flatness. Look, flatness, but the Earth is not flat, it's round.
Midway up, and then the whole thing disappears.
See, Bill Nye the Sound Guy made you look like a fucking dick. You look like a dick with a jacket on. Now, I'm gonna show y'all some videos of the boat disappearing from your eyesight, but when you zoom the butt back in with some binoculars or a strong lens, you see that boat that you thought disappeared.
Well, the boat just disappears because of the eyesight, if you actually looked. Now we're going to speed this up a little bit because this is retarded.
But you see, every picture of Google has all around it.
What did he say?
Something like that. Y'all believe in a globe Earth, a circle, with satellites.
Well, because people they go up into the sky because of the atmosphere. We have an atmosphere. Without an atmosphere, we wouldn't have a strong gravitational pull down.
About 10 to 20,000 satellites all around the fucking globe Earth. But you see, every picture of Google has of the Earth is fucking real.
First of all, because the satellites are in space and you can't just see space, really, unless you're in space. But you look up in the stars, but yeah, you get the point. Actually, you could see the International Space Station if it was coming near your state or anywhere else.
Suck all dick. Even the ladies who believe in the flat earth, you suck her dick too. We nothing on your fucking globe earth. I got a better example. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Where's he going?
Look at this fucking ball. See this ball? You know what? This is what you globe motherfuckers believe the earth looks like, right?
That's what the Earth looks like.
With water on it. See that? Just roll the fuck off. But you saying the only fucking way they got
No, the water wouldn't just fall off because of the gravity. The gravity keeps it from falling off. Without the gravity, it would fall off into space, just like clouds getting off in space. If we had no gravity, well, we have gravity.
This spinning motherfucker is because of some shit called gravity. Suck my dick one more time. Fuck all y'all. Suck my dick one more motherfucking time. Bullshit.
Sorry for all the cussing that this guy's saying.
It don't look like you can fall off this shit. Because to me, it looks like you can fall off this bitch to me. It's doing this on an invisible
Well, because that's not the accurate.
So I'm doing this on an invisible.
That's not the accurate. Crap. That's not what the Earth really looks like. It's not purple, and the gravity would just keep it in, you know? You're getting debunked so many times. Just understand that the Earth is round.
What's still called the axis? It's going around the sun at the same goddamn time. Then some people say he's not a god.
Well, because of the seasons, obviously. Because when it's winter, that's when it's not looking at the sun. That's why it's facing the opposite way. So that's why the other countries over in this direction would get summer.
So if we are spinning, a perfect 24 hours make a day. And it's spinning on an invisible stick, they going around the sun, and all that shit happened from the Big Bang, all y'all is full of fucking shit. Fuck science. Most science. Fuck you globe believers. Suck my ass. Suck every fucking private part I got. I wish my nuts was in front of my dick so I could just drop them in your fucking face, you stupid bitches. The earth is fucking flat.
No, the Earth is round. If I go outside right now, I would see a hill. That means it's round.
You walk just like this. You don't feel no goddamn curve. You stand just like
Well,
this.
because we're not supposed to feel the curve. Okay? The curve you can't feel.
You don't feel like you fucking moving because you ain't fucking moving, motherfucker. It's flat and it's stationary. Suck all dick. Come on, man. Fuck out of here. A ball earth. Get the fuck out of here. A ball fucking earth. A ball fucking earth. Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Google all the planets right now. I bet they all look fake. Fake as fuck.
All the planets are round. When satellites go take pictures of them, why are they round, huh? Can you explain that?
Globe Earth. Every picture of fucking Earth on Google. All the fucking planets more faker than some plastic surgery titties, nigga. It's just fucking fake. And a nigga, come on, man. A nigga landed on the moon. You can't land on the fucking moon, baby.
Then why did they do it? Look at his face. They landed on the moon, okay? You understand that the moon is not flat, it's round, just like the Earth.
Oh, why you can't land on the fucking moon? Because it's a fucking light. Okay? It's in the firmament. Let me draw, since I'm such a big damn artist. Look at this shit right here.
You're not an artist.
You got the fucking flat Earth. And you got a goddamn dome over the flat Earth.
You don't have a dome, first of all. If Earth had a dome, then you would be able to see it. But it's not because the Earth is round. And the dome that Earth has is called the atmosphere. So we don't get hit by solar flares. and solar radiation and solar winds.
The sun and the moon are inside the goddamn dome. That's
No, it's not, because if they were in the dome, then we would be all dead.
the same way it look when you look outside. You ever look at the moon and it's big and it's like that bitch is stuck to the fucking wall or some shit like that?
Well, it's because the moon orbits Earth. You'd be able to see it, and same with the sun. You'd be able to see it. It's not in the dome that you guys think it is in.
Because that's what it is like that, okay? This fucking moon right here is not no hundreds and hundreds of thousand miles away. Fuck that.
Yes, it is, because it took 3 days to get to the moon.
Don't look like that. And this motherfucker right here called the sun is not no 93 fucking million miles away. I've seen clouds and clouds in front of it.
Well, because that's what the humans see. But it's really far away, because if you went to Venus, you wouldn't be able to see it because of the clouds. But that's not for that. You could try to see it from the blur, and it will look closer, because it's closer to the sun. And if you look on Mercury, it's really, really close. It's closer than the Earth, and then you'll see it really closely.
Bullshit. Bullshit. All you big ass under this motherfucking dome right here. Looking at the moon, bitch. Looking at the sun, bitch. They orbit around us. They orbit.
You must be from the Middle Ages or something for thinking that the sun orbits the Earth. Okay? No. That would not be true. No, you're just debunked. You are a retard for thinking that. Really? Just why? The Earth does not stay still. You rotate every 24 hours, every day. Okay, don't you understand? You can't even, you're not even, you're just dumb, okay? You never heard of astrology, you never heard of astrology, okay? You need to learn it.
around us. We ain't moving. The sun and the moon.
We are moving because of the 24 hours. You can have proof, because there's proof of the Earth moving all the time. Because of the 24 hours. When we're at night, when we're at day, we're facing the sun, and the other side of the planet, they're facing the moon. But when we're facing the moon, they're facing the sun. It's the opposite things.
Around us. Okay?
Well, the moon orbits around the sun, not the sun, the Earth, okay? That's the only thing you got right.
Don't be stupid. Because if you don't become a flat earth, I'm just gonna tell you forever to suck my dick, suck my balls, all that. Now I can't make you do shit. You your own fucking person. Do your own goddamn research. But I'm telling you, this fucking earth is not no motherfucking ball. You believe that? You can suck my goddamn nuts. That was a good walk. Wait a second. If you believe that, you can suck these nuts. I like that one better like that.
Well, that was it for that time, guys. But we completely debunked him. Thank you guys for the love. And, yeah, goodbye.